Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alright everyone, we're standing here because we're gonna review Ampera Bridge. But before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Farhan Fajri.
My name is Nabila Putri Hairunisa.
My name is Aisyah Dulstari.
My name is Muhammad Iksan Marifat.
My name is M. Fairuzi Faiz Matra.
Let's follow us.
Dadah.
We are now in the Ampera Bridge. Ampera Bridge is one of the historical bridges in Indonesia, located in Palembang City, South Sumatra. This magnificent bridge has 1,117 meters long, spans the beautiful waters of Musi River, connecting the Seberang Ulu and Seberang Ilir of Palembang City. The Ampera Bridge was built in 1962 at the cost of Japanese war booty. Ampera Bridge was inaugurated on November 10, 1965. Initially, this bridge was named Sukarno Bridge as an expression of gratitude from South Sumatra Province to President Sukarno in realizing the ideals of the people of South Sumatra, especially Palembang. But it changed with the political condition of the country. The name of the bridge was equated with the slogan of Indonesian nation in 1960, namely the Amanat Penderitaan Rakyat or Ampera. This name is a symbol of independence from the mandate of the sovereign people of Palembang.
Ampera Bridge is 1,170 meters long and 20 meters wide. The bridge height is 11.5 meters above sea level. At the top, there are two 75-meter high towers with a span distance between towers of 71.5 meters. Meanwhile, the weight of the bridge is around 945 tons. The Ampera Bridge in the middle is designed to be raised as high as 16.3 meters. The goal is that large ships that use the water of the Musi River can still pass. So when a large ship passes, the Ampera Bridge is raised as high as 73 meters. But 1097, the center was no longer raised because there are no more large ships passing through because the river has become shallow. It took approximately 30 minutes to lift the bridge. If the Ampera Bridge is still lifted, it is likely that the traffic flow will experience a long traffic jam. If estimate, it takes approximately 1 hour for the ship to cross the lifted Ampera Bridge.
When it was inaugurated in 1965, the bridge construction was financed by war booty from Japan was gray in color. However, in 1962, the bridge was painted yellow. At the time, the yellow color was synonym with the Partai Golkar, which won every election in the New Order era. In 2002, Ampera Bridge was painted in red. Since then, the color symbolized courage has become the distinctive color of the Ampera Bridge. The construction of this bridge was quite reckless because at the time the budget owned by Palembang City, which would be used as initial capital to build the bridge, was around 30,000. Then in April 1962, the construction of the bridge began. The construction cost was taken from the Japanese War Booty Fund. Not only that, this bridge also used an engineer from Japan. The bridge construction process took 3 years.
Now we're talking about the plate. Span A1 till P1 and span A2 till P6. RN spans with a span length of 22.5 meters in the form of two simple plate girders with RC box type at the abutment and RC pier at P2 and P6. And the next is span P1 until P6. are intermediate spans with a length of 58.5 meters in the form of continuous plate girded with RC rigid frame at P2 until P5 pillars. And the last one is span P3 until P4. It's a 75 meter long center span with a simple plate girder structure.
As the main bridge to connect to the Seberang Ulu and Seberang Ilir areas of Palembang, the traffic in Ampera is busy every day, but at the certain times such as 8 a.m. or 4 p.m. Traffic jam often occur when we want to go up the Ampera Bridge or go down Ampera Bridge.
Around the Ampera Bridge, there are so many tourist attractions. You can go to Benteng Kota Besar, or we used to call it BKB. Basically, Benteng Kota Besar is a historical place that changed to tourist attractions by the government. There's a carnival here that exists almost every night. There's an iconic Palembang's fish statue that called Iwak Belido. You can take a good picture from BKB that show the Ampera Bridge. Maybe almost of Palembang citizen and tourists from outside the city of Palembang are already take a photo here.
Beside the BKB, around the Ampera Bridge, there are also Dermaga Point. This Dermaga Point is actually have F&B shop. That have 8 F&B shop. There is KFC, Jeko, Cetime, Estelar 77, Soto Kawalim Mbak Dewi, and Tepian Resto. If you feel hungry or thirsty when you walking around the Ampera Bridge, you can go to Dermaga Point, either to buy some food or drink, or take a break, or just enjoy view of the Musi River from the Dermaga Point.
Okay, now we will discuss about Pasar 16 Ilir. Started from Palembang, Pasar 16 Ilir in Palembang is the oldest market located on the banks of the Musi River. Considering the historical value of the existence of the Musi River, we should suspect that Pasar 16 also has a long history of dynamics, because this market was built around 1821 during the Dutch occupation. At the time, a city plan was made up which include a trade area at the Pasar 16 Ilir location. Various commodities trade, fragrance and distinctive aromas from various spices and commodities. The collective memory of the shopaholics changing environment, the disappearance of market is similar on the other side of the town. Just small of part of that dynamics. Now, Pasar 16 Ilir is the only traditional market in Indonesia, which is located in area with a large river and train tracks or LRT, strengthening the strategic value of this market position in the trade routes. Now, Pasar 16 Ilir is under reconstruction.
One of the recommended culinary delight for tourists if they stop the Ampera Bridge area is culinary floating boat of floating style. They open in the morning, start to open their eating place on the bridge of the Benteng Kota Besar, starting around 3 p.m. while enjoying pempek.
After we take a look of the beautifully on Ampera Bridge, let's take a look to the another side. There are so many drunk parking attendants here. There are so many drunk dunkers here. There is so many drunk beggar here that maybe disturb us as a visitor and as a tourist. Like for example, us. While we taking our video, there is some busker came to us and forcing our money with a harsh word that But beside all the bad things on this Ampera Bridge, let's we take a look to the around us right now. There are so many good people here. There are so many good people are doing good things. So don't just take a look to the bad things on the Ampera Bridge, but let's take a look on the good things too.
I'm Nabila Putri Hairunisa.
And my name is M. Fairuzi Faiz Matra.
I'm Aisyah Lustari.
I am Muhammad Iksan Marifat.
I'm Muhammad Farhan Fajri.
Thank you for watching. Wabillahi taufik wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.